The monkey's big boast.
Jasper the Fox and Milo the Monkey were walking down the road together. But it wasn't a quiet walk. They were having a big argument. "My family is much more important than yours," Milo bragged, marching with his chin up. "Is that so?" Jasper asked calmly. "Oh yes," Milo insisted. "My great-grandfather was a king of the jungle. We have been famous forever."
They kept arguing until they reached a quiet part of the forest. The road passed through an ancient cemetery filled with tall stone monuments and old statues. Suddenly, Milo stopped. He looked around at the grand statues and let out a huge, dramatic sigh. "Oh my," Milo whispered, wiping a fake tear from his eye.
"Why are you sighing like that?" Jasper asked. Milo pointed a shaky finger at the giant stone monuments. "Do you see these amazing statues?" Milo said, his voice trembling with pride. "These were all built to honor my ancestors. They were such famous and powerful leaders that people built these stones just for them." Jasper looked at the statues. He looked at Milo. He knew Milo was telling a huge fib. The fox smiled a sly little smile. "Wow, Milo," Jasper said smoothly. "You really chose the perfect place to tell such a big lie."
Milo blinked. "What do you mean?" "Well," laughed Jasper, "you are quite safe lying here. I am sure none of your ancestors are going to stand up and say, 'Hey, that isn't true.'" Milo's face turned bright red. He realized that boasting is easy when no one is around to check the facts.
Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Please like and subscribe.